Straight from the December holidays, these lawmakers have cut short their holidays to finalize the impeachment rules. The draft rules will be finalized by next Friday. Among the challenges is how to prevent political considerations from overriding factual findings of constitutional violations by a president.
If we can vote that no, there must not be an impeachment process, then we are no longer within the regime of Section 89. So we ought to say, what kind of a process allows the impeachment to happen? That is, for it to be referred, for the impeachment process to happen without it being blocked by the politics of majoritarianism.
Other political parties want clarity on the violations that are impeachable, as well as the role of the Speaker in processing motions of impeachment.
What is our common understanding as a subcommittee of the rules, or the Rules Committee and Parliament ultimately, of what is a serious violation? Otherwise, we're going to end up with skirmishes the whole way down the process, because what I regard as a serious violation of the Constitution could simply be dismissed as, it doesn't meet the prescripts of 89. Therefore, the motion can't even appear before the House.
I think this would be a matter that should be a secret ballot issue. And therefore, also of what Honourable Boy was saying earlier on, that it will protect members of Parliament who has taken an oath of office but has to toe party lines.
We have to grapple with the vetting process. So when a member tables the motion, who vets the motion to ensure that it complies with these rules? It would ordinarily have been the Speaker. We must talk about that. Or should it be the structure that will have been established?
At least one ANC MP says this is a process that will restore the dignity of the president.
There's a rape charge made by a public person to say that the president wanted to rape me. Why do you want to have a long process? It's a straight charge, so that you should be conscious that never rape when you're a president. Don't indulge in those type of things. Be a figure that society can look up to.
The committee has now resolved to probe 3 options to undertake the impeachment process. These include a panel of judges or an ad hoc committee of lawmakers, or alternatively, a combination of both. Meanwhile, the EFF says it wants the rules to be adopted next month and an impeachment motion tabled against President Jacob Zuma in March. Ulilani Philip, SABC News, Parliament.